Thank you for your interest in We Make Milton and checking in on big question number 4, dealing with parks, recreation, and healthy active lifestyles. Big question number 4 asks, how can Milton's new official plan further support the availability of parks and recreational facilities across Milton's communities? Are there any other ways to encourage healthy and active lifestyle choices in Milton? As mentioned earlier, the focus of Stage 3 is on opportunities to respond to our community and stakeholder needs, concerns, and desires, and to craft a locally responsive official plan. However, there are a number of policy areas and directions that are guided by provincial and regional policies where we have limited choices and limited options. If you'd like to read more about these policy areas where we have limited choice and options, readers should review the detailed reports that are available online. These policy areas are also summarized in this table. In particular, provincial plans and policies require Milton to recognize the importance of different types of outdoor, indoor, and active or passive parks and recreation facilities as part of a complete, healthy community. Updates to the official plan should recognize the importance of different types of indoor and outdoor, active or passive parks and recreation facilities. And what exactly do we mean by healthy communities? According to the Canadian Institute of Planners, a healthy community is defined as a place where healthy built, social, economic, and natural environments give citizens the opportunity to live to their full potential, regardless of their socially, culturally, or economically defined circumstances. A healthy community allows people to come together to make their community better for themselves, their family, their friends, their neighbors, and others. As we've all observed since early 2020, COVID-19 has made parks essential to healthy cities and towns. More than 80% of Canada's population lives in urban areas, and with more Canadians than ever before living in locations without backyards or private green space, the local park is the closest and most readily accessible natural setting they have. With what has been observed over the past couple of years, it is clearer than ever that access to parkland serves an important role in healthy and livable cities and towns. The previous slides outlined areas where we have few options regarding parks, recreation, and healthy active lifestyles in Milton. However, based on our research, we've identified a number of areas where we do have policy options. Specifically, the new official plan could address how other lands, beyond those in the parks and outdoor recreation hierarchy, can contribute to the overall open space system by providing opportunities for other passive outdoor uses for the public. This is going to require creativity and innovation. Many places across Canada and elsewhere have been creative in finding new ways to successfully build parkland and open space. Innovation is allowing municipalities to create new public spaces in large or small places not considered before, or in underused and vacant spaces. The official plan could also build in flexibility in adjusting provision goals and requirements in tandem with intensification, land use trends, and community needs. It's noted that much work has already been done to address this policy area, and we will continue to search for new options as we draft the new official plan. When we're talking about thinking creatively and innovatively about providing opportunities for parks and recreation, planners often use terms like parkettes, pocket parks, and POPs. These are all examples of parks frequently created on small, irregular pieces of land in vacant building lots, along the centers of broad avenues, or even in parking areas. Although they're too small for physical activities, pocket parks provide greenery, a place to sit outdoors, and sometimes a children's playground. They may be created around a monument, historic marker, or an art project. As Milton continues to grow, There is a need to consider other forms of open spaces that contribute to the parks and open space system, like these uses. However, they must not replace the cash in lieu or parkland dedication obligations and the need for new public parks and open space in community areas of Milton. If you're interested in shaping the future of Milton and want to contribute to land use policies related to living in Milton, please complete our survey. We need the community's feedback. Visit letstalkmilton.ca/We Make Milton from May 25th to June 7th to provide your feedback.